Hello Maker, I'm Julia, and welcome to the third lesson in our 3D printing course. Today we'll talk about one of the most versatile materials around, PETG. If you own a bamboo lab printer, you are already halfway there. Just a few tricks will give you flawless surfaces, strong parts, and zero stringing. Ready? Let's begin. Why choose PETG? Almost as tough as ABS, yet prints nearly as easily as PLA. Resistant to moisture, many chemicals and temperatures up to about 80 degrees Celsius. Great outdoors. It shrugs off rain and UV light. Important note, dark-colored parts in blazing summer sun can exceed 80 degrees CC and go soft, like pudding. For the same reason, PETG objects should not be left inside a car in summer. The real secret number 1, drying PETG absorbs moisture quickly. Even a few hours in open air can fill the filament with microbubbles that cause stringing, blobs, and dull layers. 1. Dry the spool at 55 degrees Celsius for 6 hours in a filament dryer or dedicated convection oven. 2. During printing, keep the spool in a dry box and hold humidity below 15%. 3. Store the filament in sealed bags with plenty of silica gel. The real secret. Number 2. Fuzzy skin. To hide the small flaws typical of glossy PETG, enable fuzzy skin in Bamboo Studio. The nozzle intentionally wobbles a few microns, creating a uniform, slightly rough texture. You get a more even look and better grip, perfect for handles and visible surfaces. Suggested settings: amplitude 0.20 mm, frequency 1 mm, outer walls only. Lightning fast workflow for professional results. 1. Use quality PETG with diameter tolerance of plus 0.03 mm or better. 2. Dry the spool as described above. 3. Load the PETG preset in Bamboo Studio. If needed, lower flow ratio to 0.98 or add 0.2 mm retraction when using an aftermarket 0.4 mm nozzle. 4. Enable fuzzy skin on external walls. 5. Keep the default print speeds. Bamboo's Core XY handles them effortlessly. 6. After printing, wipe the part with isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust. Frequently asked questions: do I need a brim? Only for tall, narrow parts. The bamboo PEI plate usually grips well enough. Should the part cooling fan run at 100%? No, stay between 0 and 30%. Too much airflow weakens layer adhesion. Do I need a hardened steel nozzle? Yes, but only if you print PETG filled with fibers or abrasive pigments. Can I leave a PETG part in my car? Better not in summer. Cabin temperatures can easily exceed 80 degrees C and the model will warp. Call to action. Now it's your turn. Print a simple SD card holder, dry the spool, activate fuzzy skin, and share the result with the hashtag PETGPro. In the next lesson, we'll see how to combine PETG and TPU for hybrid flexible rigid parts.